Welcome to my channel Alex Bine. The Sony-Honda Afeela 1 electric car is a streamlined E-Class sedan with autopilot and large displays in the cabin. The car received a 489 horsepower unit and its range exceeds 480 kilometers. The first Sony car will be launched in the summer of 2026. As you know, Afeela 1 is joint development of Sony and Honda. A steering wheel was installed in the Afeela 1 cabin, and the display was stretched across the entire width of a front panel. The rear passengers have separate monitors. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to my channel.